We play king of the mountain out on the end. The world come charging up the hill, and we were women and men. Now there's so much that time and memory fade away. We got our own roads to ride, and chances we gotta take. We stood side by side, each one fighting for the other, and we said until we died we'd always be blood brothers. Now the hardness of this world slowly grinds your dreams away, making a fool's joke out of the promises we made. And what once seemed black and white turns to so many shades of gray. We lose ourselves in work to do, work to do and bills to pay. And it's a ride, and there ain't much cover, with no one running by your side. My blood brother. On through the houses of the dead, past those fallen in their tracks, always moving ahead, and never looking back.
Espero que hagi passat un bon viatge, que hagi divertit i que no canvieu, perquè així no dona gust viatjar.
I don't know why I made this call, or if any of this matters anymore after all. But the stars are burning bright, like some mystery uncovered. I'll keep moving through the dark with you.